Alright guys, we have the top 5 EDC knives for Christmas. All different budgets. And we're starting at $10 and going up to about $180. So we're going to do this in under 5 minutes. We're going to have the Walmart Ozark Trail. This is what they're calling the Wug Out. It's a 7.5 inch folding knife. D2 steel. This is $10. If it's sold out, they go for $20 on eBay, I believe, but try to pick it up at your local Walmart. Access lock. D2 steel, made in China. It's on bearings. Very smooth. Great knife for $10. Awesome stocking stuffer. This is going into the $40 price range. This is the QSB Penguin. This is also D2 steel. Micarta handles. This is with a liner lock. This is also on bearings. Great deployment, very great action. Everybody should own one of these. It's got that sheep's foot blade. Just clean that blade off. Great knife. These are in the $30 to $50 range. I think they go up a little bit higher depending if you get better materials. Okay, so this is the best budget EDC knife ever made, I believe. This is in the $50 price range. Fostide Raccoon. So they come with a button lock, access lock, or also a top liner lock, which is basically compression styled lock. This is going to be 14C 28N steel. Great all around blade shape. Micarta handles, super smooth access locks. So you can do it one-handed. Great pocket clip. Patinas nicely. Pretty good micarta. And these are anywhere from $45 when they're on sale to $60. They have a couple nicer versions with aluminum handles in the $70 range. So at around the $60 mark, we're going to put this in the Boker. This is D2 steel. This is the Kalashnikov automatic. Very solid, strong feeling knife. So if you're not allowed to have automatic knives, then this won't be for you. Okay, and now this is going to be in the $140 to, upwards of $300 depending on the size. This is the Benchmade mini bug out. Sub 3-inch blade. Still a usable knife though. Access lock. S30V steel. Made in America. Very lightweight. Some would say very overpriced. These come extremely sharp out of the box. Great little knife. So, Fostide Raccoon, number 1. Number 2, dollar for dollar, QSB Penguin. Boker Kalashnikov, number 3. This is obviously great value at $10. The Ozark Trail 7.5 inch folding knife and the Benchmade mini bug out or full size bug out depending on your budget. And that's under 5 minutes. Happy holidays.